This is a small trick you must do before installing all type of devices on your drone. So, I will take my multimeter and we will do a continuity check and make sure that everything is ready to go. And after that, I will plug a LiPo into it to check if it is work. For this new VTX or for any flight controller ESC, this is what we don't want to hear when we do a continuity check between the power input lines. These are the power line, the ground, and the input power line. This one value means an infinite resistance. So, in one direction, for the connection, it goes down and then up. Okay, one moment. Like you saw previously. In the reverse mode, it goes down and then stabilize at a certain value. Now you know that from this point of view, your VTX is okay and you can install on your drone. In some cases, you can hear an initial beep, like in the case of this flight controller. This beep is generated by the charging of the internal capacitors. This sound is generated up to the point where the internal capacitance is fully charged. In this time, there is a little bit of continuity, a little bit of current flow between the ground and the power in. But once it is charged, there is no more continuity. If we want to hear a beep once again, we reverse the probe or we wait a little bit in order to the internal capacitor to discharge. If after the initial beep are no sounds, we are good and the VTX is okay to be installed in your drone. If we have continuous sound, there is also a problem and you must return the device.